What up? It's Samurai Champloo here with you guys, and today we're gonna RNG via emulator with Lua Script. I've done plenty of these videos before, so I'm not gonna explain any of the terminology. We're just gonna get right into it. If you're confused about anything I'm doing, just watch the previous videos, and everything will become clear. So right away, let's get right into it. We're gonna start up the game. We're doing the Kanto starters to be specific. And if you remember correctly, in my Safari Zone for Fire Red Leaf Green, you need to find the seed that you land on every time you start the game. And that seed is located on this number, which you will copy and paste. You will go, and this line right here will give you your seed. So now let's go ahead and start the game up. Got it here running already. Make sure you have your Lua script and your Lua file. You also need RNG Reporter. And you will need Encyclopedia Pokemon Save Editor, just so you can see the IVs. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. Let me go ahead and reset it so I can get the lowest frame possible so that I can do this as quickly as possible. And let's get right into the game. I already got to the Kanto starters, so we can skip all that mumbo jumbo. And I'm going to go ahead and do Squirtle. Now, where you want to save is going to be after you say yes. As soon as you say yes, this message right here will pop up, and that's where you're going to pause, make a save state. And that's where you're going to go off of to see what you landed on. So for the first save state, on the screen it says 1474, right? So now we just got to load that up, hold A, unpause it, receive the actual Pokemon. Skip through all this here real quick. I'm actually going to go ahead and just turn the sound off to speed it up. And then you save. And after you save, you don't have to close VBA. You just need to go to the editor and open up the save file you just made. And it should be right here. Look at your Squirtle. And those are the IVs that we're going to look at. Also, look at the seed. It's 6867. And the IVs for this Squirtle is 4, 21, 18, 6, 13, and 21. And then we're just going to search and calm, yep, all that matches. So that's what we're actually landing on. We're landing on 1,112. So if we do the math, now we got to find a shiny from that frame. And that's my ID SID. Make sure you know that. We'll clear all this out. And regenerate. And the next shiny is at 3000 frame, so it's not that bad. 3298. This is our target frame. So now we go to the calculator, do some math here. 3298, take away what we're at. That's how much we need to go. Add that to the actual frame on the save. And that's where we need to be on our next save state. So we pause, load that up, unpause, and let it go to 3660. And once you reach that, we should get our shiny Pokemon if we did everything correctly. So we're going to go and just let it roll. Almost there. Pause right there. Now I'm just manually Control N. I'm doing frame by frame so I don't pass it. Almost there. There we go. And that's where I'm going to make my second save state. And now if we did everything correctly, hold A, unpause it, receive the actual Pokemon, we should have a shiny. So go to Pokemon, Summary, and look at that. Shiny Squirtle, careful like it's supposed to be. And that's it, guys. I mean, it really doesn't take that much to do it. It's just like the Hoenn Starters. The only difference is the seed is different, so you have to work off of that seed. And the way to find that seed is to use this address right here, and you're all set to go. So hopefully this helped you guys out, and I'll see you next time.